I'm Sean Landry, and I'm really excited to join the Keaty Real Estate team.
Hey everybody, please join me in welcoming Sean Scrap Landry to the Keaty Real Estate family. So if you know Sean, you know how generous and nice of a guy he is, but you also know that he's got insane discipline and determination. I mean, anyone who can complete an Ironman, you know, has got to have that discipline and accountability there. His background in insurance sales and also as a drug rep is gonna take him very far in building those relationships and making sure his clients are getting the absolute best service that he can provide.
You know, he's got such a network of people that he's been knowing throughout the years, and we just think it's a good change for him. You know, he's such a good guy, and he should be able to jump right into real estate and really thrive and you know, give all of his customers a great experience.
No, it's definitely not my first foray. I've been in sales for about 20 years now. Most recently was pharmaceutical sales, and that industry is changing by the minute, especially with COVID. Before that, I actually had my own Allstate agency in Breaux. So I've been in a lot of different fields and a lot of experience with a lot of different clients. And a lot of those clients have been repeat clients, whether if I've moved somewhere, they've come with me, even for different products. So it's been an interesting career. I've been around a lot of stuff.
He knows the sales process and he knows how to effectively articulate all the things that the clients need to know so that they don't make any big mistakes. Sean is dedicated and determined to make sure you get the absolute best deal on your house, or actually sell your house for top dollar.
You know, whether it be working nights and weekends and you know, every hour that they need, he's gonna step in and really try to be there for them and try to put them in the right house for them. You know, not just for Keaty or himself, but the right house for his client. It's all about the relationship he's going to build with that person, and I have no doubts that he's going to do it. Just kind of the person he is really going to go above and beyond to help all of his customers.
But the thing that I think I bring to the table is more compassion, where I want to help the client get whatever they want, the best deal for them, because I've been through quite a few transactions now, and I know what my agent has done for me, and that's kind of how I want to treat people. And it's just getting them what they want and making them happy and making the process as easy as possible, because it can get to be a mess. I want to make it as easy as possible for the client and just to get them what they need and what they want.
So Sean Scrap Landry, I wish you nothing but the best in your new adventure. I can't wait to see what you're going to do with Keaty and what you're going to, you know, how much you're going to succeed going forward. So congratulations, pal.
Sean, congratulations on joining Keaty Real Estate, and I'm looking forward to partnering with you for many years to come.
I'm Sean Landry with Keaty Real Estate.